Great.
The designers decided to start documenting their working process, practices to show how the position of design in the bigger corporations. And then they start archiving their work. And the prototypes, the documents, the correspondence between colleagues, and I think that's the actual origin story of the archive. We have prototypes, different type of prototypes, materials, material samples, form models, presentation deck, sketches, and posters, and publications, internal publications, and so on. This is the 81110, which was also shown in the movie Matrix, the one that Neil was using. And here is 3210. It's a form prototype. And here is the 3310, the classic candy bar form. Nokia has this design has this department called color material graphics, and they were investigating how to present or project the phones into high fashions. You can find the promotion from Vogue, for example, and they also have a strong presence in popular media like Minority Report, Matrix. Here are collections of wearable concepts. For example, these three are all part of this collection project called Image Wear. Here is a watch, and here is a pendant with a plant image on it, and there is a pendant with this case that you can slide and open it. Now here are the different prototypes and models of the Nokia 6800. Something special about this model is that when you flip open it, you have the keyboard on the side of the screen. They are speculating how nanotechnology can be applied to telecommunications devices. For example, here is a phone, and here is a earpiece that you can attach to your ear, like this. And here is a wristband.
Good songs, huh?
Now they're becoming a personal product, so they have a lot more personality and character in them. Colours, materials, graphics, patterns, individuality in that sense.
The fact that they look so colorful to the eye today, you should maybe rather compare it to, something else that clothes. You wouldn't have everyone dressing in exactly black polo necks or cars or apps for that matter.
Cool shot.
This was an era where there was a really big technology breakthrough, where a lot of development was happening in a really rapid it was really just quite fast moving at the time. And we're sort of in a similar situation now with a lot of new technology that we are approached with, but we don't quite know what it is yet. So I think in that sense, it could be a really good set of material to learn from.
It definitely, how to say, caused the nostalgic parts, like in many of us, because Nokia was such a globally available like cultural phenomenon. It's not only about mobile phone anymore. It's about our relations with telecommunication technology, and it tells us about how design gradually take on a strategic roles within a very like big international corporations. But on the other hand, it also tells us about our relations with technology, how humans have the agencies and how we shape and design technology, with both the bright side and the downside of that.